The Clarke Strong Arm 500 kg hydraulic table lift is tremendously useful for general workshop use for lifting and transporting heavy or awkward items to a convenient working height. Conforming to the current EN standards, the HTL500 helps employers to comply with manual lifting regulations. It's very simple to operate. Simply place your item onto the large 815 by 500 mm table and operate the foot pedal. This effortlessly raises the table from 340 mm up to a convenient height of 900 mm. The smooth-running heavy-duty casters make the table easy to maneuver around your workshop. They are also lockable to prevent accidental movement of the loaded table. A hand-operated quick-release lowering lever will gently and controllably lower the table when required. With a lifting capacity of 500 kg and a sturdy powder-coated steel construction, the HTL500 will prove an indispensable tool in any workshop.